Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. So, I'm back. I had to have a little break. Been trying to keep Deep South going, but Crazy Days just kind of slipped for a while. Had company for most of the past month. We had Amanda from Freedom Acres and her little girl Sunshine. Then we had Jen and Mike from JM at the Nut House. And then we had Sheila and Steve from Quake Lake Homes Place. Had a blast with all of them, but I needed some downtime, and that's what I've had. I've had a lot of time visiting with friends, and I wanted to just show you a few things I've gotten along the way. Actually, this one was Danny's gift. Don't tell him, but it's really pretty cool. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? It says, garden like your life depends on it, because it could. Because it does. That's what it says, because it does. I like this shirt. So, he'll probably be wearing that in a video or something coming up, but I just wanted to show you guys. It's an awesome shirt, and it feels good. The color's a good color. Then I got, from my very good friend in California, and no, Jen, it's not you, Active Agent. She's a sweetheart. She sent me candy corn that is the coffee flavors, and this one I did not have. I did have one coffee flavor I got in the other day, somebody sent me. This one is called Dragon's Teeth Candy Corn. It's strawberry and chocolate. Look at this. I didn't know they made this. Not sure what Dragon's Teeth. I think there's a lot of movies about dragons now, so I think that's what this is. I don't watch movies, so I wouldn't know, but I see commercials occasionally and the kids talk about them. So this one I did not have, and I haven't opened it yet, but it looks pretty good. I like strawberry and I like chocolate, so I'm going to have some of that. Then Sheila brought me some stuff for my birthday and just because, and the woman loves me. Look at this. This is dark chocolate. This is dark chocolate with raspberry. This is dark chocolate with sea salt. Sea salt caramel. Yeah, sea salt caramel in it. Isn't that awesome? But she went even further. She got me some intense dark with salted caramel cascade. And then there was like 4 of these. Coconut, this one is roasted hazelnut. There was, I think, a milk chocolate and another coconut. And we made s'mores with the coconut, the other coconut one, and some toasted coconuts on graham crackers. And y'all, that was amazing. It's awesome. But she then brought me some snacks for Hank. These are not mine, these are Hank's. And this is like a bamboo organizer. And if you recognize the name, Numi Organic Teas. This thing is full of tea. It's pretty awesome if I can get it open again. You see this? All kinds of teas. Sheila and I sat and had teas over the last few days. So that is pretty cool there. She also brought me a head massager. I've seen these. I've never tried one. I'm not sure. She's probably going to laugh because I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with it. But you're supposed to be able to somehow put it on your head. Not sure. Massage your head. Might feel pretty good. And I'm probably not doing it right, but I'll get the hang of it. Because I just took it out of the box, you know? But that's what it's for. It makes your head feel good. I'm like, wow. You know, that itch you get in the back? That would work. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Sheila. Not only did she get me this, And I'm pretty sure this next gift stems from the gathering. Just saying. 6 rolls of toilet paper. There was a little gimmick going around about toilet paper during the gathering last year in the spring, and everybody was pulling toilet paper jokes. So I got 6 more packs of toilet paper, which is pretty awesome. So I want to thank Sheila for the gifts and thank the other ladies for the shirt and for the candy corn. It's pretty awesome. And guys, I'll be making videos. I'm going to try off and on to go live and do a few more live shots, just quick live shots. I might not be on long, but I'll be back. And I've got a review coming up on some can openers. We're going to see how that works. And who knows, all kinds of Hank videos. Hey, Hank's got snacks. We've done taking him a couple, but Hank's got snacks. We've got video with Hank and the guys that visited, the boys, Sheila, Mike, all of them played around with Hank. So I'm going to drag out some Hank shots and make a video, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you from Crazy Days.